So we removed the caliper and the rotor, and now the next step here is to remove the steering knuckle. And to do that, we're going to have to remove the connects the 2 bolts here behind for the ball joint, and 2 bolts here for the strut, and this is the camber adjusting one. You're going to want to make a mark here before you remove it, so you can get your camber back when you put it back in. And also the steering control arm. So just pop off the cotter pin, which I removed here, and you're going to have to use a jaw puller to pull this out. It's going to pop out, it's pretty loud, so just be careful. And then, so we remove this, remove the bottom ones, and this will come off. And then we can go up top and remove the strut. Different review or how-to said to loosen this middle one before you remove the strut. I tried doing that, but what happens is the spring just moves. It actually just shifts. So you can't actually loosen it, so I'm going to have to figure that out later, but just be careful you don't ruin your strut housing when you're removing it. Oh, also we're going to have to remove this sway bar end link in the back before we get the strut out. Alright, so now that we have removed the bolts for the ball joint, we've removed the steering control arm. Now we also removed the 2 bolts here for the strut. We're just going to pull the whole steering knuckle right off, and then the last little bit here is to get the strut out, and we have to disconnect this end link back and then pull out the top, and we're done.